Most digital product creators don't fail because their product is bad. They fail because no one ever sees it. It's not about crafting the perfect ebook, course, or planner. If no one clicks, no one buys. But here's the secret. You don't need to chase perfection. You need a simple funnel that quietly works for you every day, attracting visitors, turning them into subscribers, and then into paying customers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how a basic digital product sales funnel works, step by step. You'll discover how to attract the right traffic, how to turn curious visitors into email subscribers, and how to transform those subscribers into paying customers, even while you sleep. The best part? You'll learn how to set up this system using free or low-cost tools, whether you're selling a template, course, planner, or guide. Here's where we start. A sales funnel isn't one page. It's a system with parts that work together, and the goal is simple: to turn strangers into customers as quickly and smoothly as possible. It all begins before they even know you exist, because if no one visits your page, your product doesn't sell. There are a few main ways people get traffic. Some people use social media like TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Others rely on SEO by writing blog posts or publishing a newsletter. You can also run paid ads, but that's better once your funnel is already working. Let's say you're creating short videos on YouTube about productivity, and your digital product is a daily planner PDF. In your video description, you link to a free download. That link doesn't take them to your product. It takes them to the first real part of your funnel, the landing page. This landing page is simple. It should explain what the person will get for free. This is called a lead magnet. It could be a checklist, a short guide, a free trial, or a sample of your paid product. What matters most is that it's useful and relevant to your product. For our productivity planner example, your lead magnet could be a free one-week version of the full planner. To get it, people enter their name and email address. That's the trade. You give value, they give permission. To build this kind of page, you can use a free tool like System or Kit. Both offer free plans that let you build a landing page and set up automation. This is where you start turning cold traffic into warm leads. When someone fills out the form, their email goes into your system. They're now part of your email list. But more importantly, they're in your funnel. They've shown interest. They've taken a small action. Now, it's time to guide them further. The next thing they see is a thank you page. But don't waste this space. Instead of just saying thanks, use this page to offer your paid product. This is your first chance to sell. This is called a Tripwire, or a low-ticket offer. Keep the price low, something between $5 and $30. For example, if the lead magnet was a free weekly planner, the Tripwire offer could be your full 90-day planner with bonus templates. This is your chance to show how much more they'll get by upgrading. It's not a hard sell. It's a soft transition. Now, if they don't buy right away, that's normal. Most won't. That's why your email system is so important. This is the next stage of the funnel. Once they're on your list, you can follow up. You set up an automated email sequence. These are emails that go out over the next few days or weeks. Each one builds trust and moves them closer to a purchase. You don't just keep asking them to buy. Instead, you teach them. You show how your product helps them solve a problem. You share tips. You show examples. And yes, you remind them of the offer. With System or Kit, this email sequence is easy to set up. You choose how many emails to send, what days to send them, and what links to include. For our planner example, one email could teach how to stay focused for longer. Another could give a bonus PDF or tip. At the bottom of each email, you include a button or link that leads to your product checkout page. That checkout page is the next step in the funnel. This is where someone decides to buy. To create it, you can use Gumroad or ThriveCart. Both platforms let you host your product and take payments. Gumroad is great for beginners and very easy to use. ThriveCart has more features but costs more. On the checkout page, keep it clean. Include the product name, a short, benefit-driven description, the price, and a picture if possible. You don't need to overdo it. Just be clear about what the buyer will get and what problem it solves. When someone buys, they should get the product automatically. Gumroad delivers it instantly. You can also redirect them to a custom thank you page with a bonus or next step. But this is also where you can include an upsell. This is the part most beginners miss. After someone has bought, their trust is high. They've already made a decision. This is your best chance to offer a higher ticket product. For example, if they just bought your 90-day planner, your upsell could be a video course on productivity that walks them through how to use it. This is optional, but it's a great way to increase your average order value without spending more on traffic. Now, once someone has gone through this funnel, you have a few options. Some will become customers right away. Others will stay on your list for weeks or months before buying. That's why continuing to email your list is key. This is where a newsletter funnel comes in. Even after your initial sequence ends, you should keep sending emails regularly. Not every day, maybe once or twice a week. These can be short tips, personal updates, or product announcements. The goal is to stay top of mind. When they're ready to buy, they'll think of you first. To manage a newsletter, you can use Beehiiv or Substack. Beehiiv is a simple platform that also helps you grow with recommendations. Substack lets you publish blog-style emails and even get paid subscribers. For example, you could run a free newsletter where you share productivity advice and then offer a paid version that includes exclusive templates or longer guides. This gives your funnel another level. It turns one-time buyers into long-term fans. All of this starts from traffic. That's why your content matters. Whether you're making videos, writing posts, or running ads, every piece of content should lead back to your funnel, not just to your product, but to your lead magnet. The free offer is the entry point. Once someone is inside, your funnel does the rest. Here's how it all fits together in one simple example. Let's say you post a video on YouTube about how to plan your week better. At the end, you tell people to download your free one-week planner using the link in the description. That link takes them to a landing page made with Systeme. They enter their name and email. The next page thanks them and offers the full 90-day planner for $12. If they buy, they go to Gumroad and get the download. Then they're offered a short video course for $27. If they don't buy, that's fine. Over the next few days, they get emails showing how to plan better, including tips and bonus PDFs. In each email is a button linking to the 90-day planner again. Some buy after just one email, some after 5 emails. Some stay on your newsletter and buy later. That's how a basic funnel works. It's not about being salesy. It's about making the path smooth. You offer something useful for free. You give people value. You guide them step by step to a paid offer. And you keep helping them even if they don't buy right away. You don't need to be a tech expert to set this up. You can do the whole thing using free tools. Systeme gives you the landing page and emails. Gumroad gives you the product checkout and delivery. Beehiiv gives you the newsletter. It's not about perfection. It's about getting started. One lead magnet, one product, one simple funnel. That's enough to begin. As your funnel runs, you'll learn what works. You'll see which emails get the most clicks. You'll notice when people drop off. That's where you improve. But don't wait until it's perfect. Launch first, tweak later. If your landing page converts at 5%, that's 5 people joining your list for every 100 who click. If your email sequence converts at 2%, that's 2 buyers. If you make $20 per buyer, that's $40 from every 100 visitors. Now you have something you can scale. Funnels aren't just for big businesses. They're for anyone selling anything online. Whether you're a teacher selling lesson plans, an artist selling digital prints, or a writer selling guides, the funnel gives you structure. It turns attention into action, traffic into leads, leads into buyers. Don't overcomplicate it. Start with a clear problem your product solves. Create a lead magnet that helps with part of that problem. Build a landing page with a simple form. Write a thank you page with a low-cost offer. Set up a few helpful emails that guide people to your product. Add your checkout page with an optional upsell, and keep your newsletter running to build long-term trust. If you can do that, you've already done more than most. You've built a system that can grow without needing your time every day. That's the real power of a sales funnel. It works while you sleep. It keeps selling even when you're offline. And it starts with one decision, one simple setup. Most people never take that step. They keep posting content, hoping someone will click. But with a funnel, you control the path. You guide the action. You make it easy to say yes. Set up your funnel. Keep it simple, lead with value, and let the system do the rest. What does your funnel currently look like if you have one? What type of funnel do you think would work best for your digital products? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.